Welcome to Assumptech, where we provide total solution on water hammer prevention. That is, surge analysis, designing of proper device, fabrication, installation, and training. Since our establishment in 2007, we've been devoted to the field with various related patents and certifications, including the ones from USA. We also have 27 years of experience in the field of CFD, in other words, surge analysis. Water hammer is the main cause of damages at pump stations that are derived from urgent pump shutdown, from sudden power stoppage, and pump and valve manipulations. The very first important step is going through surge analysis for proper selection of device if it is exposed to water hammer danger. We have standard limit of -5 to -7 aquameter for falling pressure in Korea. Since water separation and combination could happen to cause damage in figures lower than the limit, we have to install a device in Korea by relevant regulations. These elements have to be collected for a proper and accurate analysis. This is a profile without surge control device, and as you can see, it's falling below the standard limit. Pressure fluctuation is very sharp and cycle is very short. This is the portion where water hammer damage can most likely to take place. A profile with surge control device. It's not falling below the limit. Fluctuation and cycle are stable. Therefore, stable operation is maintained. Compared to the actual field test, the result is almost the same. It proves the accuracy of our surge analysis. In order to completely deal with up and down pressure of water hammer, we recommend air chamber type, which consists of control panel, air compressor, and vessel. Our system has a strong advantage of being used broadly not only with water related, but also in the sector of non-compressible fluid like oil and liquid gas. Existing system is regulated by fixed water level inside the vessel. So, if the level goes up due to pressure changes, it perceives it as lack of air and then fills up air through air compressor to bring the level down. If the level goes down, it brings the level up through air discharge valve. However, there is a fatal risk hiding here. It even unnecessarily reacts to normal pressure changes due to pump operation and pump quantity changes, therefore results in discordance with the initial water level. Operational data for existing system. This is a normal case of shutting down a smaller pump to operate main pump to bring up large amount of water flow. Unnecessary operation of accessories are taking place. A proper system must perceive it as normal operation to do away with unnecessary operation of compressor and air discharge valve. As you can see, it was working for 4,200 seconds to unnecessarily stabilize the water level, jeopardizing the whole station. This is the moment when maximum power is consumed from 4 to 8 times of normal consumption. And this can be the cause of urgent stoppage of pump due to overpower like power blackout. If water hammer occurs during this period, it would have caused a severe damage. However, in order to prevent such from happening, our system perceives not only water level but also the changes of pressure to ensure utmost conditions by utilizing big data and AI features. It shows pressure fluctuation when the amount of air is not suitably enough inside the vessel. Fluctuation is very sharp and cycle is very short compared to suitable amount of air. It would not properly operate against water hammer. This shows how the instability of existing system has been solved through the technology of SM Tech. Existing products operate with fixed level of water while ours is flexible by utilizing normal safety surge modes, thus ensures optimum condition in various circumstances. By perceiving normal operations in normal mode and pressure fluctuation and cycle variables derived from pump quantity increase or changes in safety mode, we make it possible for surge mode to properly deal with water hammer as it occurs. Through these processes, we ensure preparation time of 0 second to water hammer, thus protects your facilities from the damages at once. As you can see, our system perceives normal safety modes and do away with unnecessary operation of compressor and air discharge valve. By automatically setting up the optimum amount of air for pressure changes, it enables to be operated at a best condition. Our system can store and analyze over 30 million data per year. We guarantee for 10 years of period with over 40 years of data storage capability. Through the actual cases of our air chamber type system installation for more than 10 years in Korea, let us prove you the features of our analysis. When pressure goes up, water level goes up due to compression of air. And when pressure goes down, water level goes down due to expansion of air. This is a normal phenomenon. Pressure is stable, but water level is changing. Although the level is still in normal range, it means air is leaking. The amount of leaked air is properly refilled by the compressor and automatically alarms the operator of the leakage for inspection. Graph of frequent pump on and off. As pressure goes down, water level goes down as well. You can see that unnecessary operation is not taking place as the control panel has properly perceived the situation. This is a natural case of oxygen of air inside the vessel being melted into the water, and the water level has gone up a little. Air compressor has properly worked to refill the melted amount of air. It happens approximately 1 to 2 times a month, and it's a very natural phenomenon. In order to prevent compressor from solidifying due to non-operation for a long time, we automatically have the compressor operate on a regular basis. Furthermore, the roles of main and spare compressors are changed automatically based on their accumulated duration of operation to avoid heavier load onto one compressor. Before applying our technology and right is after. On the left, compressor and air discharge had worked unnecessarily due to non-perceivement of normal operation, while the right one is maintaining optimum condition of operation by utilizing big data and AI features. Equation of SM Tech through laws of Boyle can verify the operational status of other systems without data of compressors and air discharge valve. If pressure and water level are moving together, the PV value would be straight. As you can see, it is not straight. It means it's not stable. This is a basic equation of ensuring optimum condition without the involvement of an operator. On the left, pressure and water level are consistent. Right has water changes to pressure changes. It's an equation to deal with such cases. It's a simulator with our patent built into it. Number 1, it verifies whether signals from the panel is being properly received. Number 2, it checks whether suitable operation of panel is made per water level settings. Number 3, it checks whether the system, compressor, and air discharge are operating properly. As long as it's connected to the internet, we can trace the operational data to verify and analyze in real time, regardless of the location. Up to year 2020, 300 local and 30 overseas have been installed and are under operation. We carry out over 30 surge analysis per year. If there is anything better than ours in one of the 3 categories, we provide ours in free of charge. This is only possible with strong confidence in our technology. Thank you very much.